माता भारतीर संतान जे आमे जातीयता प्रति अंगे पागल मन मो रंगी जाइछि रे त्रिरंगा पताका रंगी। तो से त्रिरंगा धारिणी माँ भारतीर महासंविधान समान पालन उत्सव उपलक्षे आम चैनल तरफ आयोजित वक्तृता प्रतियोगितार आज प्रतियोगी होती आम ग्रामर श्रीजुक्त सेनापति पृष्टि एवं शारदाराणी पृष्टि सुकन्या अंकिता पृष्टि जे कि बर्तमान ओडिशा आदर्श विद्यालय शासनाम्ब गाँव एकादश विज्ञान विभाग अध्ययनरत अच्छा। तेज चलते शुणा तांकरी वक्तव्य तांकरी बोली। धन्यवाद।
Jai Jagannath. Good morning to each and everyone. So today I am going to share a few words with you about the Republic Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So this year we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. Before independence, our country was under the British rule. We get our independence on 15th August 1947. So after getting independence also, some of the people they are not able to get their rights. The minor people they are always suffer by the major peoples, and the Dalits were treated by the Brahmins. We can take the example of Om Prakash Balmiki. Om Prakash Balmiki, he was a Dalit student and he used to sit in the last bench of his classroom just because of the reason that he is a Dalit. And as such problems are arised after having independence also, so Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and some people they together make 13 committees and they demanded for the rights of the people. And it almost took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to get a preamble of the constitution. On 26 January 1949, our preamble of constitution but it was introduced to the people in 26 January 1950. There is a reason behind it also, that the reason is in the same day 26 January in 1930, before 20 years, the first Prime Minister of our independent India, he hosted a flag near the Ravi River. Near the Ravi River, he hosted a flag and he demanded the same things. He demanded the rights of the poor people and the Dalits. So on 26 January 1950 again, all these rules and regulations of the constitution and the preamble, it was introduced to the people also. And from that day we are celebrating 26 January as Republic Day every year. But the untouchability, it is still going on in our country on the basis of gender, religion, race, caste, etc., etc., and etc. We need to discriminate against the disabled peoples, and there is also discrimination against the women in some societies. There is no equality, no liberty, no justice till now. According to equality, we can take the example of a rich people and a poor people. A poor people is not able to get sufficient amount of facilities as compared to the rich people. A rich people can afford the medical services, but a poor people cannot. And the rich people nowadays, they are becoming more and more rich, and the poor people, they are becoming more and more poor. So it is an inequality. And what you mean by liberty? Liberty means you can do according to your wish. It does not mean that whatever you want you can do. You can do whatever you want. So some people in Kerala, recent news of 2020, the people in Kerala, they killed an elephant. She was also had a baby. They lost their humanity and they are not good at all. they didn't do a good work. The animals, they can't speak, they can't interact with us, but it does not mean that you can do whatever with them. It is not good at all. So think about the elephants also. Not only people, the elephants are also living in our country. Think about them also. Don't do any bad work with them. And there is no justice also. Most of the people, they are not getting their justice. They are suffering, but they do not get justice. That elephant, we can take the example of that elephant. That elephant also didn't get the justice. And these are not good at all. So I request you all to please follow the rules and regulation of the constitution, and also tell others to follow. And now, till now, the rules are only written on the preamble, but only some people are following, not everyone is following. Please do follow everyone and make our India a good country, a best country. Thank you.